Hello, this is Martin Guaglione from eXp Realty in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here at Rhodes Ranch. It's a really popular area in southwest Las Vegas. It's a community that has all kinds of facilities. It's guarded, it's gated, it has two pools, community pools. It has indoor and outdoor basketball, full court indoor basketball. It has several tennis courts. It has a water park. It has trails. It has bike lanes all around the community. So I wanted to take a look. I wanted to show you what one of the houses in the category that I put together here is houses between $700,000 and $900,000 in Rhodes Ranch. These are the most luxurious, the highest end houses in Rhodes Ranch. And so I'm just taking one as an example of what you get for that kind of money. So this one's $840,000. It's 4,117 square feet, which is really huge by most standards. Many houses in Las Vegas and definitely in Rhodes Ranch, over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. So here, let's go. Let's have a look. The cursor through here. So look, when you walk in, this is what you see. It's a wooden spiral staircase, carved spiral staircase. And look at the flooring. This is not tile. This is all marble. This is marble flooring. And as you see the medallion, I have another picture of this later. Inlaid medallion as you walk in, and the flooring looks like this. This would be the living room area with a fireplace in the kitchen. And this is the kitchen area with the island. Look at all the cabinet space, all original. These are the wooden cabinets, beautiful condition. And the backsplash, the appliances. And this is a corridor going toward the dining room. It's a formal dining room, but I wanted to show you this. It has the wine rack and the extra space for dining, for plates and so forth, formal plates. This is the backyard. And this is one of the bathrooms. I'm showing you this because this is marble. This is not any kind of other tile or material. This is looking down the second floor to the first floor from the spiral staircase. I have a few more pictures of this because it's just a tremendous feature of the house. The marble and the staircase, I would say, for sure, and the 4,000 square feet. This is a upstairs area. It's like a loft area that you can use in different ways. This is another one of the bathrooms, and another one of the bedrooms. This is the laundry room, and that's the primary bedroom, the master bedroom suite, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. I mean, the size of this, I'm going to read this. The size of this room is 22 by 15. And off to the side, you'll see there's a staircase to the top that leads to the upstairs loft. So it's 3 levels, 3 floors, very unusual in Rhodes Ranch. And this is the one of the shots of the bathroom. Look at that, the sunken tub. It has also not just a tub, it has jets in it. And these are the two-sided sinks, all marble. This is the walk-in closet. The reason, I mean, I'd show you walk-in closets, but look at this. It's hard to really take a good picture of this, but this is a room in itself. And this is another shot of the upstairs, also fireplace. This is the balcony. Look at that, off of the bedroom. It's so nice. I'm showing a picture of the garage because the brand new epoxy floor just put in a week ago. So I'm showing you this picture. This is the collection area where these houses are located. Some of these houses are located. This is a guarded and gated community of Rhodes Ranch, but there's also a separate gated community called the Collection, which is where this house is that I showed you. The one for $840,000, the 4,000 square foot. There are others in the communities though. And this is what the community pool looks like. There are 2 pools. I mean, if you look at this, it looks like a Hyatt resort or something, but this is all yours. It's free to you. And there's a water park in the back. There's also a golf course. Everything is included that I showed you. It's free except the golf course, obviously. But the golf course, I play there, and it's the rates are really good. You can get, if you're you pay $35, $40 for 1 round of golf with a cart, at the right, in the afternoons. That's just incredible. So this is the kids area, play area in the community. This is the lap pool that I mentioned before. And just a few extra pictures that I personally took in the area. This is the medallion as you walk in. This is the staircase again. I wanted to show you the full perspective and sort of the nice ironwork and artwork that's done with the top of the stairs and the wooden floors again. This is my picture of the marble that's put in the bathrooms for the shower. This is the walk-in shower area in the primary bedroom. This is my picture of the closet that's just incredibly huge. Look at that, 2 windows and a wood floor, and it's the size of any bedroom that you would find in a normal house today. This is the bathroom that I mentioned, the double sinks, the spa tub. And this is on the 3rd level. You can see what I mean by the 3rd level. There's another house like it. This is a view of the mountains, and the other way is a view toward the city, and you see above everybody else. This is another shot of the inlay and the detail. So I hope you're enjoying this. It's just an amazing property, and there are more like it. I would be glad to show you around, and it's 702-708-1888. I'm Martin Guaglione. I've done a lot of business in the Rhodes Ranch area, and I'm sure once you drive in 19 minutes from the Las Vegas airport, you're going to say, I want to live here. So thanks very much. Talk to you soon. Bye.